ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಉದ್ಯಮಗಳ ಸಮಾವೇಶ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಓಷನ್ ಪರ್ಲ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಬಾಲಚಂದ್ರ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಉದ್ಯಮಗಳು ಎದುರಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಉದ್ಯಮದಾರರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸದಾ ಬೆಂಬಲ ನೀಡಲಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
When you are saying about the challenges currently we are facing, there is one silver line for the bankers at least to pat about. We all know that the ease of doing business, that index is there, that number is there continuously. India's ranking in ease of doing business among 190 nations is continuously improving. It is as of now, it is 63rd position in terms of the ease of doing business. If you are looking at the various parameters which are looked at for deciding this index of ease of doing business, starting with ease of starting business, there are 10 parameters. Ease of starting the business, we all know that we have revolutionized in the sense anybody can easily start the business. We have digitized the entire process starting from, I am talking about the company form of organization, starting from name reservation, ending with the registration of the companies. Everything is now made very transparent and easy. What we will be looking at, checking what is the CIBIL score, whether it is PAN number exit, what are the recordings about this conduct of the particular account, whether it is reported as a fraud, etc. They are comparing his employment status, etc. All these things now can be digitized or is already digitized. Lot of APIs have been consumed to have this kind of a validation. Whatever manually we were doing so far is taken over by the digital or electronic device. So when the electronic platform is helping in assessment of the loan, yes, that part is being addressed. So you are best assured that going forward, this kind of a loan product will be made available from our bank also, where the facility can be sanctioned with the speed of a light.
Word like consolidation is seen as a very small word, but the word consolidation is taking away business in the next 1 decade. SMEs, small has to become medium, medium has to become large, large has to become extra large. But if you are staying as a small, you actually go towards the micro and you will get evaporated in the next 10 years' time. Today people have a problem with the health, they go to the doctor. People have the problem with the money, they go to the banker. Businessmen who have the problem, they are going to the astrologer. That itself is a mistake. You need to go to a mentor. You need to go to a person who has an experience. You have to go to a person and you should tell that this is my problem. Do you have a solution? 90% of the time there is no solution. But the 10% is a big number that you get a solution. You should not go to an astrologer who will give you 7.5 years, you are undergoing now Shani, you cannot do anything. That's according to Mrs. Slowdown. But beware, it's a fantastic opportunity for you to meet the experienced people, to meet the technology people, to meet the academician, to meet the banker, and also to meet the government representatives, and 3 months, 6 months, giving you back the interest, which is not.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಾಮತ್, ಎಸ್ ನಾಯಕ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಮತ್ತಿತರ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.